Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show how I do my contour, highlight and blush. So keep watching this video till the end. So to begin with, I'll take this Freedom palette. This is from a professional London brand. I'll leave the details in the description box below. So this palette has all the contour shade, highlight shade and the blush shade. I'll be using the darkest shade for doing my contour. Also, I've already applied the foundation and loose powder on the top of it, so I'll be moving ahead directly with contouring. So I'll be taking this brush from PAC 305 to do my contour. With contour you can sculpt your face. I like to do contour where I want to create shadows on my face. So you can make a pot-like face to determine where the hollows of your cheek lies, and you have to apply contour just right there. Now I'm taking the darkest shade from my contour palette. You can choose any shade for your contour, and then I'll just tap off any extra product. I'm gonna start the application of the product closer to the top of my ears, bringing it a little further. You're gonna start with little product and you can build the product further. Do not drag your contour down to your mouth, you just wanna stop to halfway. As of now, I'm not blending it properly. I'll blend it later after finishing with the contour on my jawline, forehead and last but not the least on my nose. So to do a contour on my jawline, I'll just apply the product beneath the end of my ears. Now with the leftover product on my brush, I'll just do a contour on my forehead. So girls, if you want your forehead to look little smaller in your photos, you must do a contour on your forehead. Now I'm taking this fluffy brush. This is from PAC 311 and I'll use it to do a contour on my nose. And I'm going with the same contour shade from my palette, and I've put some on my brush and I'll pat off any extra product. And now I'm working it closely with my eyebrows and drawing a line down till the end of my nose. So girls, the more closer you draw a line to the bridge of your nose, the more thinner your nose gonna look. And this is the way how I contour my nose. So for blending, I'm taking the same contour brush. It's clean and I'm just blending it till the center of my cheeks and not moving it till the mouth. And then I'll blend on the jawline and I'll drag it till the neck so it will look all put together. And then a little bit of blend on my forehead. To do the blending on my nose, I'll take the same fluffy brush, and this is the same brush, PAC 311, and I'll blend it like so. I'll also blend it with my eyebrows so that there is no stark line visible. Also, you can see the difference on the side where I've done the contouring and the side where I've not done the contouring. Now it's time to apply my blush. For that, I'm taking this peachy shade from my palette and I'm using this brush from PAC 303 and I'll tap off any extra product, and then I'll go gently on my cheeks, on the top of my contour as well, so that there's no gap that is visible between my contour and blush. And I'll go right on the apples of my cheek and going further close to my ears. Now it's time to highlight the bridge of my nose, forehead, cheekbone and my brow bone area. To do that, I'll be taking the brush from PAC. This is brush number 263 from PAC, and I'll be taking the highlight from the same palette. I'm taking this light shade it is having that golden shimmer, and this looks great on Indian skin tone. So I'll just apply in the center of my nose, just like this, and then on my cheekbone, and then I'll apply it on my brow area. Also, to make it look great, I'll apply it in a C alphabet manner. So I'll combine it to look like a C. This really helps, girl. It makes your highlight game very strong. And the leftover product I just applied on the center of my forehead. Now I'll be taking this brush from PAC 303 and I'll just blend my highlighter all together with my blush, so that all look as one product and there is no gap between them. So I'm blending it all together again. Now you can see how my brow area, my cheekbones, and even the bridge of my nose is shining, and I've blended my highlight, blush and contour all together. You can see my contour nose is looking sharper than the other side. Also, my contour double chin is looking thinner than the other side. So now it's time to finish the other half side of my face. So girls, this is my final look. I've applied a pink lip shade and I've applied eyeshadows on my eyes. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. I love you guys so much, and till the next video, it's a bye.